guys, so this is day 4 after my rhinoplasty surgery, and the only kind of frustrating thing again is just the itching. I mean, it is starting to get quite really itchy, just around the sides here and in the middle as well, not so much kind of around the incision area. When that does get a bit itchy, I just kind of get some like tissues or cotton buds and just kind of touch it just to kind of give it a bit of relief. But yeah, I would say that's mainly the only real frustration. Today's also the first time where I've felt kind of relief in terms of breathing. I've been using the nasal drops now, yesterday and today, and I can tell they're really helping. Around 2 days ago and yesterday as well, both nostrils were really blocked, and the only way I could kind of sleep was to breathe through my mouth. But now I can kind of breathe through my nose, which is a lot it's a lot better. In terms of my nose shape, I used to have just a kind of a bit of a bump here, and even though I've got the cast on, you can kind of see that the shape is really kind of straight, and it's kind of in a more natural position, which is good. One of the main reasons why I done this this surgery was for breathing purposes. I used to have really bad kind of sleepless nights where I would just wake up randomly in the middle of the night and it would kind of feel like I'm out of breath, and both nostrils would always be blocked up like 24/7. So yeah, it was really hard to breathe. So I mean, what Dr. Silva's done is really kind of just opened my nasal passage to allow me to breathe easier. I mean, right now obviously I can't kind of judge on that. I think it will take, a few months at least when all the kind of congestion clears up and all the swelling has 100% gone down, to kind of see the full effects of that. But yeah, so far it's been really good. In terms of bruising, left eye, hardly anything there. Right eye, you can kind of see is just fading away, and there's not really much swelling. It is fine to kind of get the cast wet a little bit. So I had another shower again today, so that was fine, but you just don't really want to get it soaked. So yeah, day 4, and I'm really looking forward to kind of taking my cast off on Wednesday just to see how it will actually look. I mean, because right now, yeah, you can just kind of see the shape, but obviously this cast will be taken off, the kind of paper tissue bit here as well, and then the stitches below the nose will be taken out. I think that will still pretty look. I mean, it won't look that great on Wednesday. I think it'll take several weeks to kind of heal. But yeah, it's been fine, no pain at all today, and just carrying on taking my medication when I have to. I think that is just probably the most tedious part, just taking the medication and making sure that you're staying on track and on top of it. And once you put the antibiotic on, and then once you're going for your next kind of session, just to kind of clean up the area first before you put any more antibiotic ointment on. But yeah, so today is day 4.